What is your name?
My name is Sarah Jane de los Santos,
How old are you?
37 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have two daughters,
How old are they?
17 and 4 years old,
How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 1 month.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
No, ma'am.
How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
1 year and 1 month, ma'am.
Okay, where is your latest employer living in?
Pokfolam,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
650 square meter.
How many family members are they?
4, ma'am.
Okay, couple and
Couple, 1 couple and 2 kids.
okay, so how old the kids when you came?
Newborn and 6 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in 6 o'clock in the morning. I prepare breakfast for the children go to school,
Mm-hmm.
and then after I will take care the newborn baby,
Mm-hmm.
feeding him milk,
Okay.
and then play with him, and after
Change diaper like
change
that?
diaper, and after when he go to sleep, I need to clean the whole house,
Okay.
washing, cooking.
Okay, so do you go to market?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you send the kids to school?
Uh,
Do you send the kids to school?
no, ma'am.
No. Just downstairs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you prepare their dinner?
Yes, ma'am.
What time?
Um, 6 o'clock
What
in
time
the
do you eat
evening.
for dinner?
6:30, ma'am.
Until what time you go to sleep?
Um, 10 o'clock, ma'am.
Where will you go on your holiday?
In the church, ma'am.
Okay, do you meet your friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of household chores are you good for?
I'm cooking, washing clothes, ironing, and taking care of the kids.
How about newborn?
Yes, ma'am. I will take care the newborn,
Oh,
feeding the newborn,
okay,
changing diapers.
okay. So, what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Uh, I am also a helper in the Philippines, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.